8 months ago, operators were spending 17.5 hours per line every day completing their quality checks. Operators were required to keep track of time and know when checks needed to be completed. This complexity was resulting in missed checks, quality incidents, lost pens, and a lot of paperwork to go through every day for verification. This resulted in breaches in compliance, significantly contributed to cost of quality, and was seriously time-consuming. As a result and impact of poor documentation practices, the idea of Project Paperless was born. We were dreaming of a system that would target all our existing gaps in quality checks and, through the use of new technology, improve our quality performance. A long list of requirements was developed in consultation with a cross-functional team and included a user-friendly system, the ability to interface with other data sources, set check frequencies, provide timely escalation to quality and production teams, and retain data to be easily retrieved when needed. To bring this vision to life, a dedicated cross-functional project team was formed. The goal of this team was to align to the overarching scope of Project Play School and deliver an online quality check system. Project Paperless aligns to the 3 SOAP initiatives under the quality and innovation pillars to deliver our Smithfield F20 quality goals.
The data we needed was available to us, but spread across different platforms. We had to figure out a way to bring it all together. After reviewing several options, Ignition was chosen as the best platform, as it is highly customizable and already available at each operator station. For easy access, the checks were integrated into the downtime recording page for each line. Visual alarms for the upcoming checks reminded operators when they were due and when they were completed on time. This instantaneous feedback quickly engaged the team as it tied into our culture of green is good. Several checks were automated through sensors and database integration, which allowed the team to focus more on line performance. Digitizing quality checks and displaying live data on 75-inch screens around the factory has improved visibility on line performance and put quality back on top of our team's priorities. Missed or out-of-spec quality checks are now escalated immediately instead of going unnoticed and impacting our business or the customer. Not only can we look at this data live, but we can create shift reports and automated compliance reporting to support our continuous improvement journey going forward.
Hi, my name is Jasmine. I've been working for Water Eye is nearly 7 years. I like paperless because it's having more time to focus on the machine, and in the meantime I have time to helping other people, and I really like paperless because it's saving paper. Hi!
Hi, my name is Renaud. I worked with Mary for 22 years. At the moment I'm on line C. I work all around the factory. We used to use a lot of papers, a lot of checks, but now by doing this computer, like paperless, by going paperless and we do everything on the computer, it has made life more easy. By the click of a button, we can do all our checks, and it's more accurate, and it gives us more time to look around the other parts of the machine and do some housekeeping, and also makes us more flexible, and we can go and help others.
Hi, my name is Oscar. I've been working here for more than 10 years. I work everywhere in this company, and the best things that they introduced the Ignition is that less paperwork, less effort, and less mistakes. I said less mistakes because it will pop out red when you have a mistake, and you can correct it right away.
I'm Cherie from the quality team. 8 months ago, a day's worth of quality checks would look like this. As you can see, this is a lot of paper. It was very hard to control as we had to go through all of the paper checks and often return them to team leaders or leading hands for corrections. Sometimes the sheets would go missing and it was very hard for us to control. After reviewing the checks, we would file them away. It's a lot of paper.
Project Paperless has resulted in improved compliance, significantly reduced cost of quality, and is super quick and easy to use. The time saved during quality checks is being put back on the line. Paperless has been embedded into our ways of working. We have included it in our latest standard work. We also have the ability to easily create and manage user access. In-house check sheets can be developed with minimal effort, and all operators are now cross-trained on multiple lines through our Paperless capability plan. The ease of searching through historical data has improved quality incident investigations, trend reporting, and record retrieval during external food safety audits. Data can also be exported to Excel, allowing for future opportunities within Power BI. This has resulted in one very happy quality team. We made improvements throughout the project at all countermeasure levels. We achieved countermeasure level 6 by creating ignition and removing paper from the line.
Paperless was built as a prototype for the Dairy and Drinks network. It was designed to be easily customizable to you with inbuilt features that are common across our manufacturing sites.
If you are interested in rolling out Ignition at your site, you need Ignition version 8.0, a database, IDSnet integration, and internet access.
You might be wondering how we manage throughout the cyber attack. A contingency plan was developed in the project design phase to ensure the system is backed up frequently and that the checks could still be completed if ignition wants to go down. As a result, we only lost 1 day of information and were able to retrieve all historical data.
By further engaging operators and wider teams, implementing solutions based on historical quality incidents, and embracing technology, we have driven further improvements not initially captured in this project design. During the course of the project, the site continues to identify a number of areas where this system could remove paper. An ideas tracker was developed to capture and prioritize them. After a successful execution on Shield Line A, B, and C, Paperless is now being developed in-house for the rest of the factory. Paperless 2.0 has officially kicked off.